Ebusianfo aha Ghana TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe. Turning on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, we look. The person MBA studio or the pamu chow time co. Yes, so TV blog now. They say expanding and more channels, any more news, more kind of say analysis. Eddie Bremo. The person MBA in entertainment aspect of a show no. Now total cost me 25,000 Ghana cedis. Kakra wom. Ya how this so. Enti me. Mo na mbe boy. Na it is a plan. Eda nkofo na omusani send no. Eda mo nyina ase. Kitwa bien so. Okay? The number is down on the screen. Can you take it and help us out? Now let's go and listen to this conversation. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Nkopon be kunya kwamae nko yegusu tiam sabri wa dokoko na be busum nan enum ni rande abe woni twasidi e no timi nyesika to political suit akase esiese ofie onza wo swate rande abe onza wo fon unya hu hwe ya brunua na so wadi no abia ya be kire onyansa ogana kromwa koya odi ya mame wafa so no wo ya dumi woni wasifo nyina wo rande abe muhu anu da. So utimi nyesika koto lan cruset etuto bi ma won kwase afo no edi bi ko siesi ofie no wasirizi mi ma mi koko egu warehouse na so ntua ne ka wonsa wo fon wonsa na beat is every room mojam unya hu hwe wo so ati se hu high sense o driver si afo ati se mo international women's day de be ma mo 1 or 2 3 mbedi buwa te mo hwe Ghana scan for good board ni a sponsor way ni a tam Ghana scan ni a man kwasi afo mko odi ni a man Ghana fo na mo forget ye na nan koko no kra me dwu ho am ntiase na ya hefu nyina so ye din wo Ghana kro ma hatin fo no ntuma m kankan mo sore podam akonya no ntimi ntraso am nsi fom
me fi aka me nyam ni e dia ye wo mo sa ascension na essay and na yes 4 million Ghanaian youth anya kidney problem ay ready
what is why you kunyana mo tisi so mo nana no mkomia mo di jam no a mo kundi ye man ni si wona ye di amam na mo betra so do mo ye mumu ana amuntimi kasa no hey ye level na ye dunu mo ma ye bibia hye esema ye betima ye nioma e we kuro mo ye ka kire mo ye ni abre because me bibia nye me bufu kra say me ma me afrem say light break asuntimi sansani iska e na tema koma because me tua kese wo ha etika koko na sustaining kakra we kura na se wo wasizi
yentua kai
anka na international women's day we nanka wo se ya ma me boni am de dimu we kura security obia ma to bibia mu data kura mo nyini free nanka mo fa ntwatwa mo ho be na woche ena ma me san frɛ wo se san to credit go ni phone so ma no koko no di twatwa no ho ani to understand we no wasizi ana onu we busuafo mo enjoy ana Kalistus Mahama boa wo trotro niema ena azure ni ka kire say niamu ye nkakufu adu breast na gabi ochira ko na koto bi na ka so businessman akade na mo beka ena wo be trouble for kire Kalistus nyam tua mo nyina ka kwasi afo ye kan beka say mo ye businessman wo ye businessman da ben jata cement one to jata cement Ghana gromwa how many people buys that jata so called cement no cement are the plaster boso me na e papa no where cement be cement ta amemo fu kankan si afo te say mo ye nipa mo che ma bo man na mo grassroots fo nyina happy arms ma say robun kola no agi giom sika fi om sem be mo adwuma ma robun kola no Ghana krom agiti ama nkora ni ebi wu ya man compensate abusuafo no am ye kosie nkora na ebi ko mabu ade da hospital up to now mo minister biansi ho ma gigi nkora nyina sika sem be form ye wi ana sedi nkati ade ni twasedi Jimmy for kwasi ampeni ni konso kontwa abegina be kache Ghana for say 24 hour economy ni chese mo ba no wa obi adwuma bia no ntua light break kese ne mo ni fita for Ghana for nyina akwako e Ghana ha nyina akwako dinsa wo so say abofra bia na branch bia peso efitani ana peso suansa no dwuma bia no under the 24 hour economy o maka aban betua etutinsa e wo ho ahwan ni mu e ka say manifesto ni mu and the fitting shop ben na wo ba wako visit asedu katia fitting shop ben anyo for to na timse material trace ni Timberland now dey nam wiem o so baku ye kokko baku ye blue now dey nam e matter dey gu okra hu difference no afa say kofo wenyi nam the corridors of power Kojo besia in disguise. Bema pure besha obata de bia. He did it true. Nyam poor back can kwase say we ya che Ghana for. Stupid man, what's be Ghana so be president. I said you what to die. We will break you to pieces in this country. Mu Jimmy Semono. Physical ma robu ya ma me mawie. Enkran no so mo fie so ma sa de jom sika sam before mo police service in the military. Ma sa robu wom. Ene munta kan kase no tie parliament say Sere nipa no dos into some kind of digitization na ma anka djuma no be dia mo party no registration ni bibia koso through digitization. Na am say afena mo ka no kure. Afena mo ka no kure no. Na mo say digitization nya papa dokun papa say digitization. And na mo say mo fa placement system enlistment no through digitization. And mo dey placement system no. Physical na go for ya robo yen. Ye trace come so for no ma come on not to Ghana krumwa. Na so for bia be ka say Mahama kuma pa yen na go pon say wasa de Ghana say and Yankopon kono me hwehwe wo. I'm looking for you. And tell you my mind. What be that? Asem we hefa na ka akire nipa. Sanya Ghana asem we kwase asem we ka wo hen. So Yankopon so yi nipa bia ma na kuma ye papa. Ama o man no. Sani pay buy na be tanga na ska ko to private jet. Na Ghana for 4-5 months no see on tuo ka. We see you sika. Watiti koko bo so we ya 25 million farmer was mean some farmer. Was ya 13 kwaso was samba beti so bieu. Was ya to electricity mu by 28%. In so was ya tum. And no back ran up baby ayon hu ya 10 Ghana cedi. Ube so ko toilet with Accra Central baby power be 10 cedi. You go deserve 5 Ghana. Sister Jeye. Eh. No mo tum kola na gumu Accra kromo. O park o car Accra say o yeko. Ni ya ba be lock car no. Ni atun straight ni akwa usika na ya pamo esi kwaso everybody is frustrated and now na makra kroma be shi obi bo so gentleman bi nam sa bo so okasa sa bo je no twam de ma fam and dem ko so go for trim
do mami na ma pa so
ati bi si from no obi ababi no Ghana for you for
Kase gist na another big scandal rocky this useless NDC government na we fresh and cancel a talk from winning na nyabotre me ba be ma all the gist into message so be video ya ama akwa akusi no one like no one share na for from so enya bi ahwe very important na Sika involved in this scandal 11 million choppable Ghana cedis. Ghana for taxes on my teacher more some money tuama. This useless NDC government a 11 million Ghana cedis na kwa kudin crofo butum na asefem. Na kwanya sika efa asuko din crofo butum through the usual chronism, conflict of interest. Any the famous create loot and share a characteristic of this useless NDC government. Omo de be omo ba ben man, omo be create normal loot, normal share. Omo de ni omo ya ni se won change the oman sika. Omo tana dem no ma cookie niema, no match oman Ghana sika dim. So basically, sa kwan na the old ways and omo use ya 11 million Ghana cedis. Akwa kudin crofo bubutum. Na characters are involved are oma bo Ghana for krono we. Oma di Ghana for dream we. Sami Jenfi. Oye gold board CEO. Ana ni otosu mienu. Standogbe currently oye deputy chief of staff. Onu ansu na owner of Wezo Group Company. Wezo Group Company. Sa Wezo Group Company no omo na Wezo TV omo dia. Na we omo use omo subsidiary bi a friend Koreka Ghana Limited and omo di Ghana for dream we. Na yen nsem na se mame nko nsem no into details na etiase baby a free any baby akwa akoduru na kai se me say kwanya sa dream yi efa so by a conflict of interest and a create loot and share and a chronism. Now mobekaya na na do dan kwakufu ado aban esi a very big edifice Edema Bank of Ghana. So I dine for na won cry. Ama cry ayefe na ham. It is somewhere 2024 and a Bank of Ghana for free on old building mu course a new building. Now NDC bar power no. How more appointed Sami Jenfi as good board CEO no. And as Sami Jenfi yes almost mu be free on old building mu akọ Bank of Ghana. On old building na o me free mu no. Now muntie ni ha na create loot and share ni wo no. Sa Bank of Ghana office no mu free mo no. Well structured. Building integrity intact. Oma fixing niema won bi chese bibia ye correct woman any company ebetimi aye adwuma wo mu a wombre. But Sami Jemfi said, we have 11 million Ghana cedis. No, they are renovation keke. Nanya building in Yampu, no, they renovate you. Just a section, small parts of the building, and as Sami Jemfi, a percent, or yet that renovation, but also being here 11 million Ghana cedis. Sefim. You know, and concordant chain. Now, company Sami Jemfi award the contract, a man, Sefim. Corruption pa, conflict of interest pa. Company needing at the Ayɛka Ghana Limited. Ayɛka Ghana Limited. Now a subsidiary of Owusu Group Company. Mube kaisa me catch them say Owusu Group Company no. A stand up by or yet currently deputy chief of staff for there. Now I had a conflict of interest in a no. Munim say as deputy chief of staff, literally or to say deputy HR of the government. Ono no hwe appointees fuo nyina omo nsem so omo report to him into Sami Jemfi literally report to some Standogbe. And as Standogbe so ne Mahama free mo be kai Mahama ko ba bia as deputy chief of staff or acting like even bodyguard no pempem crofo timi boso jani bi kura sum some kai sansem no into one Mahama free pa and osan so ehwe Sami Jemfi ensem so our upper hand was Sami Jemfi so of a sort in terms of a organogram of the government enti or the sa ne 2 million ana akwa sa contract no sa ne position or when this mu no eno no de akwa contract na as if say contract we no o man go through competitive bidding no e so sourcing ye hampeke Standogbe ne company Ayɛka no ye hampeke no and ye de contract ne man 11 million Ghana cedis na as if now you see in some no say Melkia a bomb is things to the highest heavens. Now, may Baba mouth some of the facts. A be blow mind. You see, a da Sami Jemfi letter no, a day award the contract no. Emma with Ayɛka Ghana Limited. 18th July 2025. And then that's the whole no. 18th July. Sa day na Anna Ayɛka Ghana for no so actual letter. Emma good board for say omo domase omaje eye contract na tum omo be ye adwuma no omo be ye ni ye dey na now I had get interested before say ubetimi aye say adwuma bi say no uhia eye certificate from eye works and housing ministry. Now can you imagine say at the time ani the contract no Emma eye company no Ayɛka no na certificate Omukwaji bo works and housing ministry. I no be enibu to work for the government in terms of say omuye renovation na expire. And that's the whole no. Osha asie ho no ma ubonwu say ya tro say omo certificate no valid till 17th June 2025. 17th June 2025. Into omo certificate na expire 17th June 2025. 1 month after so my certificates na expire no and ya award a contract in a mom. So in essence they didn't even qualify. They didn't even qualify to be given that contract no. Let alone say ya de be mom under so sourcing. But because say Standogbe deputy chief of staff unti you know ya come contract in the man ya Ghana ye procurement law so Oma bichi Ghana ye procurement law. Just say omo pese omo create no mu lutu no omo she omo di Ghana sika omo di Ghana for dwere munti. And as from using seven no e do so ba me pese video ne be wa. Na developing story nti menya kwan na ma cheche mu. Memma mo series of videos a cheche mu. Na as from Standogbe sika bebre a wanya we NDC mu. Nti 11 million anka NDC full soldiers, NDC full constituency officers, and regional officers. Anka okay can a big boom na mode contract mo ye ya kasebi. One so awe who omudi no etuncha na. So these are the kind of greediness possible NDC abema it will take them to a position. Sami Jemfi or a communication officer or science you CEO or national youth organizer or science you minister. Enti saa nkrofo we there few people be no mo ben Mahama no ana mo amase wet ana mo Ghana for koro no. And that is literally what is happening with Gold Board Koreka Ghana Limited scandal. Yeah, many count massive 11 million choppable Ghana cities. Now you benya abocha kan sem ni yinti. Mo watch out for series of videos I made about this. Madam